Hello guys, today I will show you how to build an AI agent for real estate or any kind of business. It can even have a long-term memory. It can call the long-term preference, email, name, and book the meeting, and even send the follow-ups email. And I will show you step by step for free. Even I will give you all the materials in description. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started. So first we require a chart node. By simply clicking here, you will get a chart node. You can type here chart and we will get a chart trigger and then go back. And we required, you can click over here again, and we require a if node. You can type if and click over here, come here, and then you can, under the string option, you can go to exists and then go back again, and then you can open, click here, and you can just type hi because we want to set expression, and then you go back, and then again you can click here and you can input chart input. You can drag over here, come over here, and then again you can click on the true option. You can type set node, and then again we required this one, this node, right? From if node over here, you can drag over here. Okay, and in false route you can click over here, and then you can type respond to web hook. Okay, and then you can click over here, you can switch to JSON. And what you have to do is, I will give the script in my description, you can check it out. So this one you can click copy and then come over here and paste here, and then go back. And then now we have to add AI agent. So first, for that you can click over here and then type, here we go, advanced AI. You can click here, you can click AI agent, and we got our agent, right? So what we have to do is, you can change this into define below, and then add system message, go back, click here, and then click test depth. We get here, right? Go back again and you click over here. You can drag this chart input into the prompt user message. Okay, now we require system message. For that, I will give you the down below. Even you can write based on your functionalities. So I have created mine so before, so I will I will copy my prompt, system prompt, based on my real estate agent. So I will copy over here. Okay, it's based on your tools, the how many tools you are using. Okay, and then go back again. So we set up our AI agent. Now we have to add our LLM. So whatever LLM you have, you can add. So I'm going to add AI Gemini. So it's a free, and I'm selecting 2.0 because it's a little bit faster compared to other models. You can go back again, and we have to add our memory. Okay, and for here you can click down below, and then you can come here, and again you can type, you can click on when chat message received, and then we have to add our session ID over here. Okay, and then go back, just let me check. Now we have to add our tools which can access our listings, and then it can add the memory into database and email and their name. So next time when the user land into our website, the chatbot can easily recognize their past conversation, and based on that it can talk to them, right? So for that we have to create a database. For that I have I created an account in Subbase, and you also go ahead and you can create. For that, you just create your Subbase account, and after creating your Subbase account, yeah, it will pop up with this kind of dashboard inside the Subbase. And then after that, you have to go to table editor. After that, you can create a new table. So under the table editor, you can tab new table. For here, we require some column. For here, add column, and then you can type here name, sorry, name, and the type is text. And then again, another column we required called memory, and this one also it's text. Another column we required session ID, this one also we required. For session ID we required same like text. Okay, after creating this column, just you can type your name, real estate, and this remain is option, and then can save here. Now it's creating the table for us. Okay, now we created our database column, and the next is we have to connect this into n8n. For that, you can go back to n8n, and you can under the tool you can add Supabase tool, and you can select Supabase 2 here over here, and then mine is already I connected. For you, if you are new, you don't know how to connect it, you can just click here. Okay, sorry, and you can create new credentials, go back here, and then what you have to do is you can click project settings, you can click data API, and then you can copy your project URL here, and then your service role secret is this one you can copy and paste it over here, and it will connect it, and you will get your latest created row. And you can tool description, you can keep it set automatically, and then resource it should be raw, and operation should be created, and the table name, which name we have given. So I gave real estate, right? So I select my real estate, and this one you can click here, and then you can keep define below for each column. And after that, you can add field, and you can click here, and for this first, under this we will add our memory first here, and under the field value, uh, remind all the code I will give under the description. For here, what you have to do, this one you can copy over here. This is like if from this is a from AI memory store new memory. It can add all the text inside the Supabase. So another table called name, and the same, you can come here, I will give the tag, sorry, email, you can paste it over here, and another field is name, add field, name, another field is session ID, you can copy this and add another field, and you can select session ID and paste it over here. Okay, so this is called our store memory. So it can store all the conversation of the user, and you can rename it, and then here we go, we got it here. All right, and so it can store the memory. So we require another tool, the same, we require get memory, like this. Before chatting, or before giving any answer to the user, it can get the memory from the past conversation. For that, we require another tool from Supabase. For this, you can click here and you can duplicate, and again you can add here, and all the resources I will give it down below and you can check it out. You can just change this into get memory, and for here, just what you have to do, we don't need this all field, you just call delete it, and then this one we have to do is the same, and get many. Okay, get many under real estate, that's all, and get many under real estate, retain all, real estate, retain all, and under the filter we just select to none. Here we go, we got our get memories to here, over here. Okay, so okay, so the third tool we require is our listings, right? So in my case, I'm creating real estate agent which can provide all the property details to the user, like, right, so all the price, land, location, and the apartments and the rooms. For that, I will simply I have data into my Google Sheet. If you have your data in anywhere, you just connect. If it's support, if it is integrated with an n8n, simply I have my own Google Sheet in which I can integrate. For that, I will go here. You can type Google Sheet, get rows, and you can click over here. And mine is email agent, and this one is for namesake. I just put it seed 5. Updating your Google Sheet, we require another node called calendar node. For that, I just click here. You just again you can add your create events too. You can just type, you just say Google calendar, and then you can come here, you can set event, and you can just keep it operation create, and then for here you just select your email account, and then this is keep it as it is, like this, and it will do it. Updating your Google Sheet, we require a calendar tool. For that, we can just type here, see, calendar tool, and you can just select, and you can keep it resource events and operation create, and then this one you just click this button, and it can take it, you can keep it as it is. And this one we require description, you can just click again, AI will take care everything, and even attendee as well, you can just click over here. Here we go, we created our, okay, this one we select our account, and that's all. Okay, we created, we can change this into calendar, and okay, good, and we require another node called respond to webhook. Okay, respond to webhook, first incoming items. Yeah, here we go, we created. Okay, so now we added all our nodes successfully. The second step, so we have to add our chart widget to the website. For that we required some for that we required some code to add in HTML. So just go to some any online HTML editor. For my case, I just figured out the free one in online called jsfiddle.net. And what you have to do is you can just go to that website, and what you have to do under the HTML, I will provide the all the HTML code. What you have to do, you just copy everything here, copy this, and you can paste it here. And after that, you can just type run. Okay, after pasting your code over here, you can just click run, and you can change this into right results, and I can click run, and then here we go. For you, what is already I have integrate my webhook from ChatVisit. For that, okay, for that, so we require our ChatVisit webhook. For that, you just click here, and then this toggle you can turn here, and then what you have to do, under the mode section you can change with embedded chat. Under response mode you can change to response to webhook. Okay, we got it. So this one you can copy here, this webhook we have to copy, and then you can go to your chat code editor, and under the webhook URL you just copy this one. Under the webhook URL, copy, and then you can paste it here. You can paste, and for under the branding, the logo, right? So if you want to add your logo, for that just go and type any kind of image. Let's say for namesake I'm just keeping some logo, right? So something, right? Let's say Instagram. You can click your, you can go to your your website, and you can click the image web address, right? For that you can click here, you can click here left button, right button, you can click right button, and you can just copy image address, and then again go to your editor, and then near the logo section you can paste your image address over here, and the name also you can change, and the welcome text you have to change it. That's all, right? And just you can click again the run button, and it will be available like that. Okay, for testing, so we can test it again. Okay, so now let's test it. So you can just click here, you can click the chatting, and you can give your name, email, and chat visit. Let's see whether it's working or not. Hey Sam, good to have you again, because already I registered with my name and email, so it can recognize my chatting history, so it is working. So let's say I will type anything, list out list out 2 bedrooms house, and it will list out. Let's see whether it's working. Yeah, it's searching. Yeah, see. So this all part based on your prompt, and it will trigger. See, it added my all my email. It even added memory. See, new customer Sam with the Gmail, and it added session ID as well. So that's all. So this is how it's work. And if you have any doubt, or you want any kind of help from me, please comment me down and just email me, so I will be there to help you. Thank you.